Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Today, we will show you how to remove and replace the burner orifice on this Whirlpool freestanding gas range. Now let's begin the repair. Some indications on why you might need to replace your orifice is if your burner is sparking but won't light. To start the repair, you will need to remove your burner grate. Set it off to the side. Remove your burner cap. And right in the center of the burner is where your orifice is. This little brass piece right down inside here. You're going to remove your burner by taking the two Phillips screws out. Leaving your electrode wire connected, just lay it off to the side. And then you're going to reinstall your screws to hold it so that when you go to unscrew the orifice, it doesn't bend the plumbing. With the 9/32 socket, you're going to stick it in and turn it counterclockwise. And then set it aside. To install your orifice, take your new orifice, put it in your socket, stick your finger down inside to hold it from the bottom so that it doesn't fall inside the oven. And then line your orifice up with the hole. And screw it in clockwise. Give it a good snug. Remove your screws for your burner. Lay your burner back over your orifice. Install your screws again. Install your cap, and then install your grate, and that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.